All right, so we're gonna do a little cold start, so you guys hear it, how it sounds like before. Right about there is when it starts to quiet up a little bit. As you can see, when it starts, it's really loud, and then it starts quieting. But now with this 6 new, sorry about that, it's gonna sound exciting. As you can hear, it's very quiet. See that, guys? I mean, that is gonna be insane. It's gonna be 4-inch piping all the way to the mid pipe, so can't wait. I'm gonna give a little bit of reps. Do you guys hear it? I don't want to give too much reps. It's still kind of cold. Sounds amazing still. And yeah, I can't wait. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go ahead and lift at least the rear up. We're not gonna work anything on the front. I mean, we're gonna have the mat pipes, but that's around this area here. So we're gonna lift the car all the way up front, take a couple of these out. And yeah, this is how the garage looks. Basically when the lights are on. These are to music as well. I'll have the AC on, so it's literally my dream garage is right here, guys. And we worked a lot, like me and my wife worked hard to get to here at this point. So dream car, dream garage, awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and start working on it right now. Alrighty guys, it took a little bit just to kind of get it straightened out, but over here, it's already, there's a lift point right over here, so I put it up as much as I can. Later on when I do the downpipes, my buddy's gonna do it on his lift, because that's another job, but this is something that we can do. So I'm gonna go ahead, and all these screws over here have to be taken off to lower this. So basically we're gonna get access to the stock system, and there's the stock system, as you can see. I mean, it sounds good, but I think this is big. I can't imagine the 4-inch. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start working now. Take this all apart, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, here is without the cover. So basically there was a bunch of screws, as you saw in the video, all over. So I was able to take off that. Here's the exhaust. I mean guys, this is like stock. I can't imagine we're gonna put a straight pipe on this thing. This thing is gonna be super loud. But anyway, here's the stock exhaust. Now that I got access to it, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this out. Little by little, start taking it out over there as well. And then yeah, I mean, as long as we got this out of the way, I have to clean a little bit now, but it is crazy. I mean, this, guys, look at this. This is gonna be 4 inches, guys. That is insane. So yeah, let's see. All right, so the best way for this is to remove actually the tips. And the tips actually have like a little clamp, so you basically unscrew that. So that way it gives you a space so you can actually go forward and back with the exhaust, so you have a little bit of movement. And then after that, right over here, as you can see, this is what holds here. And then I'm gonna put a jack right on this just to support the weight when it starts to actually go down. And there's a few more over here, but it's pretty simple process to do, just a little painstaking. guys, it took a little bit of work, but got it done. Actually had help from my brother and my sister-in-law and the wifey, but here she is. Alrighty, there's the stock exhaust. My brother put that up there. Brother and sister-in-law and my wife helped me on this. It was a little bit of a pain just to get it out because you have to just wiggle a couple of things, but it turned out, I mean, it took a little bit more. But this is an aftermarket mid pipe, not the stock one. I actually got this one from JD Customs USA. And as you can see, there's sort of stock, they're 5 inches actually, but the stock tips. So the new exhaust is actually gonna be 4 inches. The piping and the titanium tips are gonna be 5 inches. So yeah, I mean, this is a stock GTR exhaust. I mean, it still sounds awesome, to be honest with you, but I can't wait for the straight pipe. The new straight pipe is also a V-band, so it actually cuts out here, and it's all V-band, 4 inches. So pretty excited. I mean, let me see if I can see underneath, but there it is. That's a GTR without exhaust. That's not really putting any pressure onto there. I just put it on just in case. It's always good to be safe. But yeah, let's see tomorrow when the exhaust comes in. Guys, it's here. Finally here. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God. I kept looking at the rings to see when he's gonna get here. I don't want to tear apart anything too crazy, but oh my God, I get to see it! Oh, yes. Now this is a Fabworx titanium exhaust. It's a 4-inch straight pipe all the way, and then it goes into a 5-inch titanium tips. It's all stainless and all that. So it's a V-band as well. And I believe here are the tips, the titanium tips. So you can see hardware, everything is included. It's a brand new exhaust. All vibrant hardware as well. And they're V-band clamps. So that's gonna be awesome. I mean, compared to the stock exhaust, this is straight pipe, so oh my goodness. Oh, that's nice. Look at these, guys. Look at that. Look at those welds. All right, you get to see it first. So much lighter too. So here it is. As you can see, it's a 4-inch all the way exhaust, and it has the Fabworx right there, so you guys can see it. And oh my God, I can't wait to install this. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this here for now. That looks insane. And I believe my little guidance, there it is. Holy shit. Oh, guys, look at that. That is freaking massive. So here's the other part of the exhaust right there. And then we have one more, which is the mid pipes. So I'm using the new mid pipes as well. Obviously it brings it in the kit, so I'm using these. And it's a V-band as well. So I'm gonna put that black boy right over here. And we have to open up at least one of the tips so we can see it. Oh, I am so excited for this. Oh, Jesus. Guys. These are gonna look amazing. Amazing out the back. Oh my God. They're really lightweight too compared to the factory ones. Well, there it is, guys. That's it. Let's get to installing it. Like I said, it's a Fabworx straight pipe, 4-inch with 5-inch tips. And it's titanium, so it's gonna be super loud, but I can't wait.
So nice.
All right, guys, I'm gonna do a little time lapse, but right now I'm gonna put the vibrant gaskets, put the mid pipe on, and just kind of work all the way to the back. So yeah, it's gonna be fucking exciting. Sorry for the language, but I'm super excited. Oh my god, this exhaust looks insane, guys. And here is the new one, and that's the stock one. I mean, I can't wait. All right, I got my brother over there. We just finished doing the exhaust on the GTR. And we're gonna start it up here soon. So, guys, look at that. It's a little dark in here, but guys, look at that. Jesus, man, oh my God. That looks insane. And honestly, everything like fitted perfectly. We're gonna go ahead and see. I'm gonna go down a little bit. Guys, look at that fit, man. Ooh. And on these exhausts, it has Fabworx right there. So you can see it. Oh, it says Fabworx right there. So you can see it from the back. Oh my God, this is such a fucking sexy exhaust. Sorry for my language. Super excited. Guys, look at that, 5-inch tips. Woo. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and start it up. Pretty excited. Got my brother over there, he's hiding. But let's go ahead and give it a start. Alright. Pretty nervous right now, but here we go. Straight pipe, Fabworx, exhaust, cold start. It comes down, and it's not a bad like tone. Right there. That oh man, that is fucking insane. Oh, it sounds so good. Right there, like an idle, it sounds like a crazy loud. Like. Alright, give it a couple of reps. Huh? Oh, Kevin, let me see. Watch out. Let me do it. What? I have to get the reaction for YouTube.
Every time I get comfortable, yo. Every time I get comfortable, the fucking seat.
You'll get to drive it.
I don't care about driving. I just got comfortable twice.
That's my brother. Oh, Jesus. do it? Do it. I want to be from the back now.
Oh my God.
There's the sound. This is so crazy. Jesus! Oh my God! Again! One more time! Oh shit. Alright. That is it. You know what? Just send me the fucking video. Alright. We have Apple. Send me the damn video. Hey, there it is right now, but here we go. Straight pipe. Straight pipe. That's cold start. Alright guys, that was freaking amazing. I mean, you see the smile on my face. Just those little, man, that's literally the best exhaust I ever heard, and it's insane. So that's the Fabworx 4-inch titanium exhaust B-Van. It's freaking amazing. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, got some awesome videos coming up. I really appreciate it. Really appreciate everyone. Yeah, thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you for everyone that watches. Honestly, I am in love more with the car than I was, and just it sounds deep, and as you can hear, it just sounds awesome. So guys, thank you.